Alright, Assassin's Creed Mirage. How to find the excavation site. So first of all, we could go to the investigation, and inside that investigation folder, that we have a piece of map. We could take a look at it of the map that we gave it to us. It's pretty simple. They say there's an oasis in the way, and there you have it. In the actual map, it's going to look like this. This oasis they were talking about. There is a viewpoint in this oasis. You can synchronize it. I have already synchronized it, and I was here. Uh, and then from there, you had to go to the excavation site. I'll show you how to do it. That's it. There you have it. Excavation site. This is the excavation site, and that's it.